Immediately when I stepped foot on campus, I knew that I would be comfortable here. It felt safe. It felt like home. And really, I was looking for a college that made me feel like more than just a number. So I was happy that I could come on campus and people would know my name and I'd be able to participate in anything that I chose.
Also just loved excelling in the classroom. I truly love to learn. I love the opportunity to learn things that aren't just accounting or Spanish, which is what I'm majoring in. I love that I got to take a Harry Potter class, that I got to plant a garden. Those things just bring me such passion and joy.
Here, you are living here, you're learning here, you're playing your sports here. You're involved in clubs here, and it's just you live, breathe Monmouth College. And I think that's a very special thing. And it also just generates greater success in that classroom, greater focus on activities, and just a better social environment too.